Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creating with Love Cooking. How are you? We're all blessed in this house. So, I have another recipe. It is called, Banana Chocolate Chip Blondies. Yeah, I went on and I will give you the website when I pull out the recipe. So we're going to get going on this recipe to put it together. Like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you can get some of my videos coming to you. And please look in the link below because my other channel's in there, Creating with Love Crafting. Let's get started on this recipe. Hi, so the recipe calls for, we're going to have 3 bananas. Another recipe to bake with 3 bananas. And we got to mash them. So I'm going to put them on this plate while my beautiful son, handsome son, peels them for me. Then we need some almond flour. I just got that this month, so I got to open it. Doesn't want to open straight. So I could just get into it. And we need coconut palm sugar. Then we need some cinnamon, and I will tell you the measurements as I go. Then we're going to need some salt, baking powder, peanut butter, and some sugar-free chocolate chips. So we got to put all this together in one bowl. So let's go. Just to mash up the bananas really good. So who has a banana with peanut butter in the morning? I just had one this morning. Good breakfast. Gives you potassium and then the protein from the peanut butter. I used to like having bananas on my cereal. Now I like having bananas inside of things I bake. Looks like a lot on a plate, but it doesn't look like a lot in a bowl. Milk and vanilla extract I don't have out.
I don't know where the vanilla extract is, but I could get the milk.
Vanilla extract should be over there in that little lazy Susan.
Who's Susan and why is she lazy?
So this is a cup too. I'm not sure if I need a cup of flour too. So I'm just going to use this for my peanut butter.
There's kitties in my room.
They get in trouble in your room.
Excuse me?
They do get in trouble in your room. Now, I like picking up this Aldi peanut butter for baking, but I use Walmart natural peanut butter to eat.
Which is my favorite.
I use the big jars of it for my son and his friend to eat. And I like it too. But the Aldi peanut butter is kind of perfect for cooking. Ebony, get down. Ebony.
Get down. Get down. Good girl. My
cat loves to talk back, but she's a good girl. Now we need 1/4 cup of milk. So 3 bananas, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of milk. And we also have to preheat the oven at 350, but make it 360, Dustin, please.
Well, that's my job.
Now we need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder.
Synonym power?
Cinnamon. Stop it. You messing me up.
Synonym power.
Cinnamon. So I have a whole jar of cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Well, it was a whole jar before somebody got at it for cinnamon and toast. A cup of almond flour, which I just bought this week.
Don't use if you're allergic to nuts.
Yes. If you're allergic to nuts, which we are not, only certain nuts. And then half of teaspoon of salt,
Oh no, you're gonna salt it?
half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then a third cup of coconut sugar.
I wonder how that's gonna taste. By the way, this is all keto friendly, I think.
The sugar is not keto friendly. Somebody wrote to me, it's not keto friendly, but ketos people use it because it has less sugar in it. And something else she wrote, I forgot. But it's substituted for sugar. So I didn't see any eggs in here at all. So these are blondies, and blondies are brownies, and I love blonde brownies.
Are you sure they're gonna come out blonde though? It looks like
Well, they're not going to be chocolate brownies.
They're gonna kitty.
Kitty, kitty.
Kitty kitty.
So we, after I flatten this all out, are going to put this in the oven at 350. And it says to bake for 35 minutes, but when I take it out, then I will tell you how long I baked it for. Okay? Here's what it looks like unbaked. Doesn't that look scrumptious? So we're going to put it in the oven at, like I said, 350. Mine is 360. And I'm going to put 35 minutes on the timer. And we'll be back when it's done. I want to come to you guys with an idea for this channel. I think that we could make a catchier title if we change it early on while it's going. And I'm thinking of cooking with Jelly Bean. Now, it could be either cooking with Jelly Bean or cooking with Mama Jelly Bean. I just think cooking with Jelly Bean. Instead of creating with love, cooking. I think that creating with love, cooking is a catchy title for my channel. But I think that using my old nickname as a child that my neighbors used to call me would be even catchier for this channel. And I think it would be nice to change it. So, cooking with Jelly Bean it will be. It's ready. Let's take it out. Oh. And that's what it looks like. It looks like a big, giant chocolate chip cookie. Yum! That's exciting. So there are your blonde brownies made with bananas. And we need to get a B-roll and then cut them up later when they're cool. So we'll be back.
All right, guys, we're back. Also, my mom is standing behind me. She wants me to show hers to the camera, which it probably won't even focus on the brownie because it's focused on our faces a lot. So
look at that one.
This is the Blondie. This is the Blondie made of bananas.
They're very good.
Coconut sugar. The sugar-free. This is it's a diet snack.
Mm-hmm.
So it has low calories, and it's pretty good. So AJ is sitting right next to me. You got anything you want to say? Why you even got a mic?
Because you gave it to me.
So when you walked in, what'd you smell, AJ?
I did smell the brownies.
And do they smell yummy or yucky?
No, they just smell good.
Okay, so okay, guys, dig in.
Hair in my eye.
All right, let me take my first bite. Ready? Here we go.
Roll your eyes good. Just roll them eyes good.
Yo.
What do you think?
These are going to be gone by tonight. I'm telling you already.
Yeah, these are good.
AJ's going to eat them. Dad's going to eat them. You're going to eat them, and I'm going to eat them.
Uh-huh.
Gone.
These are good.
They are.
And I believe these would be a really good pre-workout for anybody who wants to go to the gym. They give you a little energy. They're filled with bananas, mashed up. 3 bananas. I would say one of these brownies is what?
I don't know.
How many calories would you say?
I don't know.
Not as much as a regular brownie.
1,000 calories.
That's probably how much the whole thing is. We should have taken
What
a
do you
calorie
think, AJ?
calculation.
But it's actually really good.
All right.
Can I have another one?
Later. So, you guys can hear me in one of their mics. What am I thankful for? I am thankful for so many things. But I am most thankful for God. Because without Him, I have nothing. And I have nothing else to be thankful for. Everything I have is not because of me. They are blessings from God. Hope you like this recipe. I hope you try it. And if you do, leave a comment below and let me know what you like. God bless y'all. And keep cooking.
The recipe was awesome, and my advice to all you people out there, try it because it's very good. Everybody have a blessed day, and maybe we'll see you soon. Keep creating while you're cooking.
Kitchen's my happy place. Starting up with a smile on my face. Every day's a brand new taste. Kitchen's my happy place. Kitchen's where I find my grace.